Reading practice number 4. Dear Miss Frank, colon. Here are some impressive statistics, period. The December 1 issue of the Sunday Times contained 700 pages and weighs 6 pounds, period. The newspaper print alone cost us almost $2, period. To figure the total cost, you would have to add the cost of ink, distribution, and a share of the salaries of more than 5,000 of our employees, period. Yet, you could buy a copy for the exceedingly low prices of $1, paragraph. It takes a big newspaper to cover the rich, varied interests of our more than 4,500,000 highly educated readers, paragraph. Advertisers spend 20% more of their advertising dollars to reach high income times readers than they do to reach readers of any national magazine, paragraph. If you are interested in reaching this affluent audience, you should place an ad for your products in the Sunday Times, period. Cordially yours,